I'm gonna set your place on fire. Let's get higher. I'm gonna set your place on fire.
What's going on, Saunders Lifestyle? Today's another day in the UK. As you guys can see, it is sunny out. I'm out here messing with the cars. Of course, I'm in the garage, so that means I'm bringing a DIY to you guys today. So, guys, I brought you guys on today to show you guys what I'm doing. So, just got in cleaning the Hellcat, but there's been one thing bugging the crap out of me since we got this done. I would say not since we got it done, probably about after maybe 2 months of getting it done. And I told my wife before we even got it done, I told her not to do it because her truck is white. So yes, I'm talking about the SRT Jeep, my wife's Jeep. But I told her not to get this done because I know the effect of this once it gets dirty and what it causes. And for me, I like to, when I clean a car, I like for it to be clean. And with this stuff on the car, it looks like it's kind of dirty in some spots. So let me show you guys real quick what I'm talking about. So as you guys know, I ain't knocking anybody's work at all, man. When we got this clear brawl stuff put on there, they put it on there and it's on there pretty good, man. No issues with it. The only issue I have, and it's not with the company at all, the only issue I have is that after a while the dirt starts building up right here on the edges, right? So with her truck being white, that's hard. Well, I ain't gonna say it's hard, but with it being white, man, you can see more dirt on these edges than if it was on a color car, or like a darker color car, I guess you could say. And then another thing is right here, it's starting to bubble up right here. But honestly, like I said, I'm not knocking the guy that hooked it up for us. That's from pressure washing and the water getting in there. But at the end of the day, man, there's just a lot of different grime, and it looks like crap, man, after a while, you know what I mean? And I think with the white truck, you can see a lot more. But like I said, I'm not knocking the guy that installed it. He installed it, he did a good job. Just after a while with a white vehicle, and then with me as well, using a pressure washer to clean the vehicle, it ended up getting messed up. So with that said, I'm peeling this crap off. I already started peeling off the bottom here. I'm just hoping right here, I got my wife getting me a dry eraser, Mr. Clean dry eraser, so hopefully they didn't cut into this when they put it. It doesn't look like it. Looks like it's coming right off. But like I said, I just need to get a dry eraser so I can get all this grime off. I'll polish it up, make it look better than what it is with this stuff on there. Because like I said, man, if you look at that now, I mean, obviously the truck is dirty, but I mean, look how much bubbles and dirt and all that stuff is stuck up in there. It just looks dirty when the car is clean. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. As you guys can see, I already started peeling it off. Got it right here, coming off. So it is leaving a little bit of residue here on the truck, but I have some stuff that I've got that tire shops use to take the goo off. It's like goo on, but it's a special type of chemical that they put on the rim to take when they take the weights off. You spray that on a rag and wipe it off and it comes right off. So and what I'll do is I'll polish it up, but I want to take all this off first before I wash the truck. But yeah, what I'm doing right now is I'm using my Black & Decker handy heat gun. So what I'm doing is I'm heating it up. And it might be another way of doing this, but the way I'm doing it right now is this way because it's what I have. I've seen you can steam clean it, or not steam clean it, I said steam clean it, what the hell? you can steam it, and I guess it makes it soft, and then you should be able to pull it off as well. But let me just show you guys what I'm doing real quick. Like I said, it's a DIY to remove this stuff. It's just like vinyl wrap, so using heat on it just softens it up some. But like I said, for some reason on the bumper, it's leaving residue. On the splitter, it didn't leave any residue, which is crazy. So I don't know because that was fresh paint, or it's just the way it adhered. So as I heated it up, so what I'll do is I'll pull, as you guys can see, and it's coming right off. All right. See how that comes right off? So the heat actually helps out a whole lot, taking it off. But as you guys can see, it makes it so much easier. And I know I gotta take the license plate out because they did it behind the plate. I think they did it as one piece. Yeah, because you can see that lifting. So I'll stop here. I'm gonna go ahead and go on to the other side. So I got the other side and I got this piece down here to do still. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock that piece out real quick. But like I said, this is just a little quick video showing you guys how I'm removing this clear bra. There's probably multiple ways you can do this. Like I said, I've seen it done with some type of steamer where it I guess it softens it up to take it off, but I'm using the heat gun to get it done. So just one of the things I've been wanting to do for a while, and I told the wife I'm going to eventually do it this summer, and I am doing it now. So just to kind of give you guys a heads up, me and the wife been talking about getting rid of the Jeep SRT because right now the price of used cars are going up. Check it out. Yeah, I gotta clean it. It was her birthday, so I kind of tagged it a little bit on the windows for her birthday. But as you guys can see, the wrap has been done by me. It's a little dirty right now. Like I said, I'm just trying to get this clear bra off so I can go ahead and clean it up. It should be good after that though. But yeah, so what I'm gonna end up doing is we're talking about selling it because, like I said, the price value then went up on some of these used vehicles. But I told her, I said, we'll try to get rid of it here overseas. If somebody's willing to buy it, man, leave it in the comments below. I am probably gonna end up taking off the wrap though and putting the factory wheels on there. I will leave the splitter and all that stuff on there, just so, I mean, at the end of the day, I already put it on there, so I might as well just leave it on there. But she's trying to get the Trackhawk. So that's the new vehicle that she really wants. Obviously, after driving the Hellcat, man, the 392, man, is just not. It doesn't got that much power. You know what I mean? So I mean, let me rewind that. It's got enough power, but it's not enough power that I am used to, and then she's used to when I punch that pedal and when she punched the pedal on the Hellcat. So the Trackhawk is really what she wants. She keeps flipping her mind though. I mean, women can't make up their mind, right? Just like shoes. So she's been talking about the Range Rover HSC, or no, Range Rover SVR, which I think is really nice. And now, you know, my pockets is not that fat. I'm not making that much money off of YouTube. So if she gets one of those, it's gonna have to be a used one. But we definitely looked at some of the, I think they're like purplish blue color. I think those are pretty nice. I don't know what the horsepower is on, what the horsepower is in those vehicles. But I told her to go ahead and do the Trackhawk, man, to be honest with you, because at the end of the day, we can keep these aftermarket wheels that we got, which are some Avant Grotto wheels. And she still has a set of 24-inch wheels sitting in the garage. So I told her to go ahead and keep the wheels. We'll put the stocks on there. They're black. So yeah, it'll probably be up for sale here in the next maybe 2 months. But we'll see what's up. See if we got any biters out here to buy the vehicle. Like I said, it's not everybody's cup of tea. But at the end of the day, boy, it's a nice SUV. Damn, yo, that rhyme. Cup of tea, SUV. Yeah. Nah, I'm just messing with y'all, man. But yeah, man, if you're just tuning in, man, go ahead and smash that button. Go ahead and give me a like, comment, share. Go ahead and turn on all post notifications for any future videos. I'm going to keep bringing you guys videos. Tomorrow, we're supposed to head out to a car event called Max Power. So I'm going to get some footage for you guys out there. The Jaguar, as you guys can see, is sitting right here. Don't mind my junky ass garage, but the bumper, I yanked it off. I'm gonna sand it. The sandpaper finally came in, and that is right here. So got a whole bunch of sandpaper for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock that out. Probably do it maybe tomorrow. Just start messing with. Nah, probably not even tomorrow, but we'll see. We'll check it out. If I'm gonna do this tomorrow, honestly, I'll probably save for next weekend, just because I got too much too many other things to do. So yeah, man, so I made that video with the glass, picking up the glass, but I didn't put the glass in the video. So this is the rear window that I picked up from this one individual I found online. So it has the pieces that I need. The crazy part though is I don't remember seeing two of these on this side. I've only seen one and one. So if somebody can let me know if this is the ground. That's what I'm going to assume it is, but I'm not 100% sure because I don't have a connector for this one. I only have a connector for this one. So let me know what this one is right here. So this is the rear glass of an XJ40 Jaguar. All right, so I removed it all on the bumper, the splitter. The only piece I did not remove is the black piece right here. So I think I'm going to leave it on there for now. I may end up taking it off. I'm not sure yet. I don't see too many issues with that minus this little spot right here. So I probably can heat it up and fix it. But for the most part, man, it looks better already, 10 times better. And I haven't even cleaned it yet. So I'm waiting on the wife to come back to bring me the goo gun so I can get some of this residue off right here. So as you can see, it's just literally just right here to right here, some residue on there. So I'll get that off, pressure wash to clean it. And it should be good to go, man. So it looks already 10 times better because it doesn't have that dirt in on the edges of the panels. So as you guys can see here, you know what's crazy though? I just realized, I mean, you spend so much money on this SUV, man, but the panels don't line up. So let me know if you guys have the same issues with y'all's Jeep. The panels, man, I mean, you spend so much money, man, you would think that shit would be perfectly lined up, but it looks like it's kind of sticking out some right here. We never removed the bumper, so this side's perfectly lined up. I don't know. Just that one I've been noticing it's pretty off a little. No, I ain't gonna say it's off a lot, but it's off a little bit. So, but yeah. Anyways, so I'm gonna wait for the wife to get here. Go ahead and clean this up real quick. Get the goo gone on that. Throw the license plate back on. License plate bracket. One thing I definitely regret not saying when we bought the truck is for them to drill a hole straight in here, man. So yeah, a lot of places in the States, man, they don't require front license plates. So with that said, I mean, we got these holes already in the bumper, man. So with the Hellcat, I opted for them not to drill into it because I ended up buying a bracket that I placed underneath. Like it's pretty much kind of underneath here, and I can remove the license plate. So I kind of wish we did that with the Jeep. Now just looking at it, because this bracket right here goes on there and they literally drilled into the bumper. But at the end of the day, it's got a front license plate bracket on it, so it's all good though. But yeah, man, let me go ahead and get this thing washed up. Yo, I got Kelly out here cleaning the Jeep with me. What? Dang, girl. Yeah, we got too many cars, man. I'm tired of cleaning these cars.
No, you have too many cars.
This is my assistant right here. I got too many cars. How many cars you got? Huh?
One.
Yeah, okay. Dang. Who cleaned this up? That thing look good.
My boyfriend.
Your boyfriend. She about to get jacked up. Yo, check that thing out though. Shine up. I swear to God, the front looks so much better without that clear bra stuff on it. Looks so much
You don't even know what to say.
I don't even know what to say, but it look whiter. There ain't no dirt specks in the front no more. I gotta put the license plates along. As you guys can see, the front holes and it's still there. But it looks good.
I mean, does it really need the license plate?
Yeah, you trying to get a ticket?
Asking for it first.
Huh?
Asking for it first.
Yo, what's your name though? Yo, who's this blonde hair girl over here? Jesus. Looking good, girl.
Thanks.
Yo, what y'all think though, man? You trying to sell this for real?
Yes.
Why? What you trying to buy?
The Trackhawk. The Trackhawk beat the Urus.
You trying to beat what? What?
Oh my God.
What'd you say?
I said the Trackhawk beat the Urus.
Yo, so she's seen a video.
And it beat the Durango Hellcat.
Oh yeah, you're right. So she's seen a video
by like hundredths of a second.
the other day, man, and a Urus got smoked by a Trackhawk. So she said she ain't got to spend $300,000. She could spend less than $100 and beat a Lambo. I can definitely see her driving it though. I think we should keep these 22s though if we sell it, and throw these on the Trackhawk if we get one. That's not an if. I'm sure she's probably gonna get it. But yeah, just so y'all know, man, this thing might be up for sale here within the next 2 weeks. I'm probably gonna, huh?
You say might. Why?
She really want to sell this thing.
I want the Trackhawk.
I know you want the track out, but you gotta wait till we get back to the States to get the track out. But
Well, I know that. I mean, just selling it.
should I keep the vinyl on there or should I take it off when we sell it? Because I'm putting the stock wheels back on it.
I think people are, not everyone's going to be into the vinyl.
Right. Like she said, not everybody's into that vinyl sticker, so I might end up just taking it off, and I mean, it'll just be a solid white color with the stock wheels on it. I mean, you're gonna get the splitter, you're gonna get the side skirts.
Wait, we said the splitter?
Yeah, the splitter gonna stay on there, or unless you want to take it off.
I don't know. I think it'll look good on a Trackhawk.
So you want to take that off? But I mean, if you take it off, you gotta take off the splitter and the side skirts.
I know. I haven't decided yet. I mean, I paid a lot of money for that, and I waited a long time for it to come in.
So whoever buys the SRT might not get the splitter because I think she's gonna want to take that off. So I'll probably end up taking off the splitter, the side skirts. The spoiler got to stay on there though. I mean, I can take it off.
I mean, that wasn't expensive, as expensive as the other.
All right, so the spoiler might stay on there then. The exhaust is gonna stay on there because if she does get the Trackhawk, we're gonna have to get the Corsa cat back like I got on the Hellcat. Because the boiler is deep, it ain't like raspy sounding. It's more of a deep tone to it. But yeah, man, well, she probably gonna end up selling this thing. So other than that, man, that's gonna conclude today's video. We just cleaned it up. About to hit this house, get in the house, boy. I'm tired. Gonna relax, chill, and wait for these boys to get home, man. They out here playing at the playground or at the park, at the skate park, whatever. So, you got anything else to say?
If you want to buy it, let us know.
Hey, hit me up in the comments below, man. Send me a DM to the IG or Facebook, man. Let me know. Cause she really trying to get off of this thing. Apparently, they said that the prices went up, right, on used cars because of the chips.
Yeah.
I mean, KBB right now is still 66, right? 66,000 we seen on this.
Yeah, probably so.
It's got less than how many miles? Less than 23,000 since 2018. It's got everything in it, man, minus the navigation. It's got the subwoofer in it, glass roof.
Panoramic roof.
Yeah, glass roof, panoramic, same thing.
Reminds me of the Panorama Lamborghini.
Say it again. What'd you say?
No, I don't know. I don't know how it's said.
She said the Panorama Lamborghini, whatever they say on TikTok.
Kimber said it earlier.
Yeah. But man, you guys will get this boiler attack exhaust that comes on it. And it sounds pretty good, so we will leave that on there. But like I said, man, this thing might be up for sale here in the next 2 weeks. We're gonna go ahead and get rid of it possibly. So because she don't drive it right now as it is, and I know she's ready to get back to the States so she can get that Trackhawk. So yeah, man, so if you haven't, go ahead and smash that button. Go ahead and give me a like, comment, share, turn on all post notifications for any future videos. Other than that, Sauna's Lifestyle, and we are out.